Today, we created consistent character AI videos using a very simple and easy method. In this video, I've shared a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to make AI videos with a consistent character, from generating images and voiceovers to editing the final video. I also showed how to generate audio and how to keep the same character style across all your scenes. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more amazing AI content. Alright, let's begin. You have to open your ChatGPT and after that, write this. Please generate an Adventure Amazing HD animated story prompt and use the main character with this style, James messy brown hair, focused green eyes, age 10-year yellow t-shirt, blue shorts, red sneakers, full adventure amazing story required and when you click send, ChatGPT will create an amazing story for you with a consistent character. Now it depends on you whether you want a long story or a short one. ChatGPT can generate a long story for you. After that, once the story is ready, please generate prompt for pick a scene, wise maximum 7 prompt. Required you'll receive scene-by-scene prompts based on the story. Important, if the image does not come with the same consistent character, what should you do? And how can you create unlimited AI videos for free? Next step. Now let's create an image with a consistent character. Go to Canva and click on Canva AI. Canva is an excellent website. Here, click on Create an Image. Once you click it, go to Style and then select 3D Render. You'll see that the images generated in this style look absolutely amazing. Now, I'll paste the first ChatGPT prompt here. And as you can see, the first image has been generated beautifully. Now I'm uploading the second prompt and you'll notice that the character in the image is not consistent. So what should we do now? Simple, go back to ChatGPT and write this. Please add 10-year yellow t-shirt, blue shorts, red sneaker boy in every scene with same character. When you write that, ChatGPT will generate new prompts for you. Then, all you have to do is copy those prompts. Once copied, paste them into Canva where you are generating the images. In this way, you'll start creating your images. Just keep copying the prompts and pasting them, and your images will continue to be created one after the other. Why I use Canva AI is a powerful image generator that helps users create stunning visuals quickly and easily. With its AI-powered tools, you can generate images, graphics, and designs by simply typing a prompt. It's perfect for social media, marketing, and presentations. Now all the images have been generated, so I'll go ahead and download them all. To create the video, we will use 2 free websites. These tools will help you turn your images into professional, engaging videos without spending a single penny. First, let's generate the audio. To generate audio, we'll use one of the best websites called OpenAI TTS. It's a powerful tool for creating realistic voiceovers. Among all the available voices, the best one is called Tom. It sounds incredibly natural and professional. To use it, just paste your script or prompt into the text box. Then click on Create Speech. After that, go to History, and your audio will start playing. You can check and download it from there. Now let's talk about how to make the full video. Which 2 websites can we use, completely free? And how do we use them step by step? This step is very important, so watch carefully and follow each part. If you skip anything, the final result may not work perfectly. Now I will show you exactly how we can use free AI websites to make high-quality videos. These tools are beginner-friendly, fast, and don't require any editing skills. Asterisk. The first website is Digitation.ai, a very powerful tool for video creation. This site gives you 300 free credits when you sign up, and it continues to give you free daily credits. As you can see, I currently have 930 credits in my account. With just 300 credits, you can easily create up to 10 videos, all for free. So, how do you use it? Click on Create to start. After that, click on Upload Image and select the character image you want to animate. Then, type the prompt that describes the motion you want. For example, the boy picks up a shiny object in his hand. Now click on Generate and the video will start creating automatically. Now let me show you how to use it 100% free. No payment needed. Now I'm uploading the second image, and for that, I write this prompt. The boy and the little rabbit are talking to each other while clouds drift across the background. A few peaceful natural moments unfold around them. Then I click on Generate, and the video will start creating automatically. Now I'm going to use the second website, hailuai.video. When you open it, it gives you 1,100 free credits to start. After that, it gives you 100 free credits daily, which you can use to keep making videos for free. Now, I click on Create and upload the first image. Then I type this prompt. The boy looks at the big owl, shows his glowing hand, and lightning flashes in the background. Now I click on 30 for 30 credits, and the video starts generating automatically. After that, I upload the next image and write this prompt. The boy is swaying while the boat floats in the air, and he is enjoying the ride. Then again, the video begins to generate. This is how you create your full animated video step by step using this free AI website. Now let me give you a tip, how to use Digen.ai again and again for free. Digen.ai gives you 300 free credits when you sign up. But what if you want unlimited videos? For that, you can use a website called SMail Pro. It's a great site where you can generate unlimited Gmail accounts for free. Just click on Create, then click on Generate, and you'll keep getting different Gmail addresses. You can see it working live. Now use these Gmail accounts to sign up again and again on Digen.ai and keep making unlimited AI videos without paying anything. Final step, now it's time to edit the video. For editing, we'll use CapCut. It's a powerful and free video editing tool. Now I'll select all the AI-generated video clips and arrange them in order. Then I'll add some animation effects, transitions, and background music from CapCut's free library. After a little editing, boom! My video is complete! That's it! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and give the video a like. Next time, I'll bring another amazing video for you. Stay tuned.